Material data fitting. The feature of material data fitting allows you to upload the original measurement data of a material and use a physical property model to fit the optimal model parameters. This is the main page of the material data fitting, and the following are the operational instructions. First, you need to upload an original data file of a material. To ensure the correct format, you can click to download the required physical property data template, which supports viscosity, PVT, crystallinity data for thermoplastic materials, or curing kinetics, viscosity curing, and PVTC data for thermoset materials. For example, after downloading the PVT data template to your local device, you can replace and edit the data. Please note that the text within square brackets serves as identification labels and should not be deleted. After editing, save the file. Return to the material data fitting and drag and drop the file into the upload area or select the file for upload. On the right, you will see a chart of the data points. The middle section will automatically identify the material property, polymer type, and crystallinity. Clicking on function icon will display the model equation. Click the data fitting button to fit the data points and obtain the model parameters. Additionally, you can fine-tune or lock individual parameters. Click data fitting again to update the results. If parameters are locked, they will remain fixed. Clicking on the x-axis of the chart allows you to switch between different plotting methods. Once you have completed the data fitting, click the export icon to export the fitted result and chart. If you need to fit data for other materials or physical properties, you can repeat the above steps to complete the process. Furthermore, it should be noted that when uploading the original data file, the polymer type and crystallinity will be determined based on the text within the file. If you need to change or test other settings, you can modify them through the interface before proceeding with data fitting. For fitting the viscosity curing or PVTC data of thermoset materials, you need to have the curing kinetics model parameters first. If these parameters are already present in the file, you can directly perform the fitting. If they are not present, you will need to input the curing kinetics model parameters first.